Okay, this video is going to be just quickly going over how you can do an intraday using the EA and also the indicators here, how to scan for them, because I'm going to look through the USD. Right now is the New York session, so I'm going to look at the USD pairs and just see which pairs might be a good one for scalping this morning. I'm just going to quickly go through the pound USD. And what I'm going to look for is something good. I've got the 1 hour on the left hand side here, and I'm just going to look and see if there's any good opportunities. You can see the stock RSI is down below, so possibly buy opportunities, but I'm not going to even look at this price action right there on the pound, so I'm not going to look at scalping that one. Euro USD, it's been blue for a few hours. The opportunity would be shorting up in this area, but it's down low as well. I'm not going to look at scalping this right now. The Aussie USD, same thing. I'm not. I'll be putting up the EA on the daily here tonight, but for scalping, I'm not going to. It doesn't look very nice. We're moving up on the stochastic RSI, so I'm going to hold tight on that pair. The New Zealand USD. You could be looking for buys, but it's kind of, you've got some buyers here, sellers here, and then a couple blue bars sideways. We are down low. I'm not going to look at scalping that one. The USD CAD, now this one looks nice. You can see we've had a nice run up, a nice bearish red bar here. So my zone is going to be in between this area for taking shorts, scalping. You can see that we're high on the stochastic RSI turning over, so if we did get a push up into here, then I would be looking at taking the shorts. What you're going to want to do is do this, because I'm using the hourly to determine whether I want to look at a pair to scalp or not on the 5 minute. What you're going to want to do is probably look at this at the beginning of the hour. Right now it's a bit later, it's going on 8, so I might not get a push up. I might have already missed this one. However, I did have it set up. It just looks like I missed it. I'll show you here in a second. The USD Swiss. Same. Our push is right here, but we've already broken this high on this hourly. So we pushed up and came back down. So it's kind of ugly price action on this one. We are up high. If we did get a nice red candle, this closed red here, then I would start looking in that zone to scalp for the next couple hours to the downside on the USD Swiss. And then the dollar yen, our price action, our main move is right up here, and we came up into it here. As of right now, we're just retracing, and we're midway down through the stochastic, so I would stay away from this one. So the only one that I'd be looking at scalping is the USD CAD. So we'll just pull up the charts here. I've got the 1 hour up and running. These other two trades here are the ones I did the analysis on yesterday. You can see they're doing half decent. I did take a trade. One of the other trades worked out really nice that I did the analysis on yesterday that I've got it set up on the daily. So you can see I've got the USD CAD set up on the 5 minute chart here. I've looked over at the 1 hour. This is where the 1 hour zone is here that I've got set up. This is our 1 hour candle right here to here. So this moved down, and then we had the retracement up, and there was our entry right here to get in. I obviously missed this one, which is too bad, so I would have been in here, had an initial stop loss. I've got the EA set up, as you can see. Looking for shorts between the zones for selling. It's also going to send me the alerts and let me know and take a picture of the trade if I'm not around, but it would have been a decent trade so far. I would have had my stop right above there in anticipation that we are high on the stochastic RSI on the 1 hour. We've got a bearish candle. We had a retracement up, and we were looking for the shorts to come down. So we could get a nice push down even into this way area here and further. But I missed out on that one, so I'll let it run for another hour or two just in case we get another run up here and opportunity within this area. Anyways, that's intraday trading, setting up the EA, how to look for a pair. Remember, I'm doing the dollar pairs right now because of we're in the New York session. If you're doing the European, you would look at obviously the euro or the pound pairs. During the Asian session, you're going to scan the Aussie pairs, New Zealand, and yen pairs. Also use that website to determine which has the highest volatilities within the hours that you're going to be trading, and then you can just quickly scan those pairs and see if there's any opportunities for scalping them. Anyways, hopefully this makes sense, and wish everybody well. Take it easy. Bye.